Today on Made to Hack, I take OSB sheets and glue them into cubes. This is a workshop mess. There are many like it, but this one is mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build two cabinet unit shelves, if you will, out of OSB, just so I could clean up this entire mess and maybe reclaim some of this space down here. I mean, I bought my Surface Plate 2 years ago and it's been sitting there for 2 years unused, so I want to kind of reclaim some of that space and yeah, just clean it up and get everything organized. This is the OSB that I'm going to be using. It's 18 millimeter thick, and I had the hardware store just cut it out for me. It saved me a lot of time. The only thing that I will be doing is on the back plates, I will be running a bead with my router, about 18 millimeters wide, obviously just enough for one of the pieces, and a few millimeters deep so that it'll just stay in recessed a little bit. Hopefully it'll get some more purchase on the glue on the side. So that's what I'm going to do now, run that bead all around, drill the holes, glue this down together. Okay, on the second piece, backboard, because I'm making two cabinets stuck side by side, I'm only going to be cutting out 3 of the 4 edges, or I'm only going to be routering out 3 of the 4 edges. And the reason being is the uprights that I bought, well, what I did was I optimized essentially one sheet of OSB to get all my cuts done. So I was stuck with this remaining piece. I needed 4 uprights. I only got 3 proper size and this extra piece. Now this extra piece is just about, I guess, maybe 18 millimeters shy of one of these. So on one edge, I'm not actually going to be routering it out. So that when placed, then I will just fill in that one edge with one other piece here because it's not wide enough. So it's too thin, but it's longer than, you know, the upright. So I'll cut it at the top and then not router this edge and then just add on a piece to it. Okay, so I got the first one mounted, and I don't know if you can tell by the large gap at the top how the ceiling slopes, but I am level on the shelf, so I'm gonna put in the second one now. Looks pretty sturdy. I got 3 bolts up there and 2 like wall anchors that I drilled out. What I'm thinking for finishing, I might just give it a coat of varnish as a primer, like a polyurethane varnish, and then maybe give it a coat of paint. But at the moment, I'm just going to assemble it in situ. Okay, so here's the shelves after 1 coat of white enamel paint, and the reason I used white enamel paint is because I had a can of it. It's been hanging around forever. It's solvent based, so I figured it provided pretty good surface for something in the workshop in the garage. So anyway, I might give it another coat and then call this project complete.
Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure to turn on notifications to receive updates whenever I post a new video. If you like what you saw, hit that like button as well.